Today we're going to do a studio tour. Welcome to my new studio in Colorado. I thought I'd give you a little tour today. So come on in here, I want to show you. I've got this little tiny foyer here, and I have all of my little mini books up here, and there's a painting that I did and some work that was on the cover of So Somerset a while back. And I wanted Dawn to kind of pan the room and show you kind of how small it is actually, how tiny, and how we've decided to arrange it so we can make it work. In case you're brand new to our channel, my name is Caterina. My friends call me Cat, and I am back home, and I have a gallery here called 142 Bis. It's part of Essentials, and it's going to be great to be in the gallery again, and actually to be here physically in the gallery all the time. Every first Friday will be wonderful. And so Dawn put this painting shelf up for me, which I really love. So I'm going to be able to do larger pieces here, smaller pieces on the table, and I've got a place that I can sit if I get rested. I want to just rest and do some things, you know, sitting down, do some painting, sitting, and all my brushes and everything. I think this is going to work out really well. And then we have tons of boxes in the garage that have lots and lots of books. I've got more art books. We live in a tiny cottage, so we have very few bookcases. So this is going to be absolutely, probably mostly full of books because, you know, as artists, we love reference material, we love inspiration. So I'll be able to sit here and go through my books, which will be wonderful. So I was going to sell this, believe it or not, and Dawn said, do not sell it. And that's the person behind the camera, my wonderful husband. And it's a fabulous old flat file. It's a steel case, so it holds a lot of stuff. And it also doubles as another workspace. So I'm glad I didn't sell it because I don't know what I would have done with the paper. So you were right, I was wrong, you were right. And I've already started working on some kits, as you see here. They're not done yet, but we're getting there. But it's a nice spot to work, and I think it's going to work out really well. Got my paper cutter, I've got all my hearts, and I'm trying not to put too much on the walls because then I start feeling claustrophobic. So this is going to be just strictly for collage. I'm going to have all my glues here, pens, papers. There's going to be, I've got some smaller papers in here, and so I'm going to put, you know, the rest of my glues and that kind of thing on here, and then work off of this. So I'll have this space to use for collage. And then I have my papers in my little, what do you
basket.
Thank you, basket. In my little wire basket, that's the word I couldn't remember. And then this is my drafting table, which I really love, and Dawn put this together for me. The movers kind of banged it up a little bit, but it's still going to work perfectly fine. And I just love this table. But what's really great is the view. And I'm going to be planting this with lots of different flowers. And this is a retention reservoir over here, so no one will build there. So I'll always have the trees to look at. So a little peek inside my basket. I've got all kinds of little scraplets in here in all of these baskets. I'm not going to show you every one, but that's what's in there. And I need to tag all of them now because I'm going to be using them all the time. So, and then my hero, Don, behind the camera, Don Digison, my wonderful husband, he put the shelves up for me. So this is going to be really easy. I know I have more things in the garage, but we'll get to that. So there you have it, studio tour. I know it's a short one. We'll be back soon. We're at Chow for now. And next time I think we're gonna do some mamagami. I'm gonna do a different twist on it though, because you know how I am, so I'll do that. So until I see you next time, ciao for now.